welcome to my website, my woodworking plans and projects, and welcome to my workshop, albeit somewhat untidy. And I guess you've come to see how we measure up. What we're looking at is over 14,000 plans and projects that you can get your teeth into. They're exceptionally good plans, very detailed, lots of information, lots of instructions. There's useful tips, there's videos on the website, and I think it will really make for successful projects for you. And just a couple of little tips while we're in the workshop. When you're looking at tools like chisels, for example, here's one here. When you buy them, they come with these protective plastic tips on, and I always keep mine because I want to keep the edge nice and clean and sharp. Don't throw those away, keep them for when you use them in the workshop. And if you want to make your sandpaper last longer, then just take a scrap of wood and just use your normal wood glue and glue the sandpaper to it. It'll last 10-20 times as long as just using it with a rubbing block. So thanks for visiting the website, and good luck with your next project.